The KOCH SYSTEME CS stainless steel frying pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It is an 8-inch pan. This size is perfect for cooking smaller meals. You can easily fry eggs or sauté veggies. The non-toxic non-stick coating is a real plus. Things won't stick to the pan. This makes cooking and cleaning a breeze. The stainless steel material looks sleek and professional. It also helps the pan heat up evenly. The Stay Cool handle is a thoughtful design. It remains cool to the touch. This is important for safety while you cook. You won't have to worry about burning your hand. The small 8-inch size is also easy to handle. It's not too heavy or bulky. The KOCH SYSTEME CS stainless steel frying pan is induction compatible. This means you can use it on all types of stovetops. This adds to its versatility and usefulness. It's a reliable pan for everyday cooking. Overall, the KOCH SYSTEME CS stainless steel frying pan is a solid choice. It offers a good balance of features and quality. The non-stick surface works well. The stainless steel construction is durable. The Stay Cool handle is a nice touch. If you need a small and reliable frying pan, this one is worth considering. It makes cooking a pleasure. And cleaning is quick. There's no need for complicated policies. It simply works well. For anyone looking for a solid, everyday pan, the Wadillo non-stick frying pan skillet is a great choice. It's a fantastic addition to your own kitchen. Plus, it makes wonderful gifts for the chef in your life. Its convenient size is ideal for many recipes. And its durability ensures it will be a stock item for years. While it doesn't have a huge capacity like larger pots, its 10-inch size is perfect for daily meals. There is no legend to decipher. It's simply a well-made, reliable pan. Forget about sticky situations and enjoy easy cooking with this Wadillo nonstick frying pan skillet. Pros: stainless steel, non-toxic coating, non-stick surface, professional use, Stay Cool handle. Small 8-inch size, induction ready, even heat, easy to clean, durable build, oven safe. Dishwasher safe. Cons: handle can get hot, non-stick may not last, some food may stick, thin. Lightweight feel, questionable durability, conflicting info on handle. Conflicting non-stick info. Conflicting dishwash safe, possible oil stains, not very heavy pan features. KOCH SYSTEME CS, stainless steel, frying pan 8-inch, non-toxic coating, non-stick coating. Professional cooking, Stay Cool handle, small frying pan, induction compatible. This KOCH SYSTEME CS 8-inch frying pan is made of stainless steel with a non-toxic, non-stick coating, making it great for cooking without food sticking. It's designed for professional-style cooking and has a handle that stays cool to the touch. This small pan is also compatible with induction cooktops. This KOCH SYSTEME CS 8-inch frying pan is made of stainless steel with a non-toxic, non-stick coating for professional cooking and easy cleanup. It's designed to work on all stovetops, including induction, and is oven safe. The handle is made to stay cool, and the pan is also dishwasher safe. Though the handle might get hot, it's a small and lightweight pan, which some users might find less durable. And there's conflicting information about how nonstick it is and how well it holds up over time. Some users have also noted potential for oil stains.